My name's Paul Cowen. I represent Europa Property Digital Marketing. We're here at the CEE Investment Awards, and it's the jury dinner this evening, and we are networking to promote our new venture, which is a digital marketing service focused on real estate here in CEE. We are providing services to office operators, building owners, shopping centre owners and operators, and delivering results through digital marketing. We are lead generation experts. We focus on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram adverts, as well as other areas of digital in order to deliver footfall through the doors at shopping centres, tenants for office buildings, and generally leads across all sectors. We work with a number of clients that are very happy with our service so far, a growing list of clients across not only real estate and office and retail, but also leisure, including health and fitness, and golf. And our client base is ever growing, and we're delivering results, so we're very happy with that.